Hi and welcome to another video for Year 7 Maths, still under the chapter of Algebra. Still, you're going to do solving an equation, but today you are going to focus on when it involves fractional coefficient. So later you will know how to solve linear equation that has fraction, such as this one. So here, later I will I will show how to use this cross multiplication method to remove the fractional coefficient. So let's start here. So here example number 1, ax over 3 plus x over 3 equals 4. So basically this is actually can be written as x plus x everything over 3 equal 4. So you will have 2x over 3 equals 4. Now here, when you have this kind of linear equation, single fraction on both sides, this is 4 actually. 4 is 4 over 1. So what you can do is you can use cross multiplication like this. So on the left side is 1 times 2x, you will have 2x. And on the right side, the 3 is moved and multiplied with 4, so it will become 12. So 2x equals 12. So this already can be solved. So here 2 divided by 2 is 1. So x equals 6 for this equation. Okay. Okay, right. So let's move on to the next part, which is x plus 3 plus x plus 5 equals 8. So what we're going to do is you have to make sure of the LCM, which is 15, already given here. So here 3 times this whole fraction will be multiplied by 5, and this whole fraction will be multiplied by 3. So you will have 5x over 15 plus 3x. 3 times x over 5 times 3 is 15 equals 8. So here I will just simplify this straight away. 5x plus 3x is 8x. Everything over 15 is equal to 8. So the same idea applies. Since 8 is 8 out of 1, so I'm going to use the cross multiplication method. Alright, so here 8x times 1 is 8x. And then 8 times 15 will give you 8 times 5 is 40. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 120. So this one can be solved straight away by division by 8. So therefore your answer will be 120 divided by 8 will be 15. Right? So that's the answer for part B. Right, so let's move on to the next one. So here, this is already simplified, so you can also apply cross multiplication. But here, since 5 over 1 is 5 is 5 over 1, so you don't need to cross 1. Okay, so you just have to cross this to the other side. So what you have next is x plus 1, and then you don't have any denominator because it is moved to the right side. So it will become, on the right side, it's 2 times 5 is 10, right? So that's it. So you have to solve it by using equality rule. So therefore your x will be 9. Right, you can double check your answer here. 9 plus 1 is 10 over 2. 10 over 2 is 5. Right, so let's move on to the next one. Next one is also similar to what you have done in previous part. So here you cross 3 to the other side. So on the left side, you will have 2x minus 7. Everything equals 3 times 1, 3. So proceed with using equality rule plus 7. So here you can cancel the 7. So 2x equals 3 plus 7 is 10. So you will have to divide 2x by 2. Equality rule, cancel this one, 1, 1. So therefore your x is 10 divided by 2 is 5. Right, so that's for part B. Now let's have a look at here. This is quite tedious to do, as you can see later, because here you have to simplify this first before you can use the cross multiplication. So here 2 and 5, the LCM is 10. So this one is actually multiply with 5, so this one also you have to multiply everything by 5, and here 5 times 2 to get 10, so here you will have to multiply everything by 2 on the second fraction. So what we're going to do, focus on the left side first, so you will have 5 bracket x plus 2, and then minus in between 2 bracket 2x minus 1, so everything will be over 10, right? You have to make this into single fraction, so when you see this is a bracket, so you can expand. Alright, so this one you have to expand negative 2. Okay, so you will have 5x plus 10 minus 4x. Negative 2 times negative 1 will be positive 2. Everything over 10. And this every fraction will become 3. So what we're going to do is I will just simplify 5x minus 4x is x. Right, and then 10 plus 2 is 12. Right, so everything over 10. And then equals 3. So you can use the cross multiplication through the way. So you will have x plus 12. Everything equal 10 times 3 is 30. And for the last part, you have to subtract 12. So here it is cancelled. So therefore, your x will be 30 minus 12 is 18. Alright. So there you have it for this topic. And you can see here, whenever you have a fraction, single fraction on the left hand side and over a number, you can cross multiply the denominator to the right side. So that's it. Thank you very much and see you next time.